We have defined pressure as being the force exerted by a substance divided by the area that force is being applied to. But what are the units we will use to measure this phenomenon? Just as we have SI units for length and mass and time, we have one for pressure, and it's the Pascal, which is equal to 1 Newton of force acting upon 1 square meter. This will not be a tremendous amount of pressure, so we often use kilopascals, which are 1,000 pascals each. Here we can see a pressure gauge measuring pressure in kilopascals in black. In red, it also displays PSI. This stands for pounds per square inch. This is a unit commonly used for car tires. Next, a common one we might use for chemistry is the atmosphere, since most chemistry is done at atmospheric pressure. As you might guess, a pressure of 1 atmosphere is equal to atmospheric pressure at sea level. This will decrease as we go up in elevation, and 1 atmosphere is equal to 101,325 pascals, or 101.325 kilopascals. There are still others, including bar and millibar, which are related to a number of pascals. And then there are inches of mercury, millimeters of mercury, and torr. When we see a unit of length included in a pressure unit, this corresponds to the length of a column of mercury in a barometer that is sustained by a particular pressure. If we want to convert between units of pressure, we simply use dimensional analysis. For example, what is 35.7 psi in pascals? Well, if 1 atmosphere is 14.7 psi, and 1 atmosphere is also 101,325 pascals, then we simply utilize the following 2 conversion units to go from psi to atmospheres to pascals. And we should get 246,075 pascals. And now we know all about different kinds of units of pressure.